All right, when a student is looking at their diagnostic level in IXL Math, it'll take them to this screen here. And at the very bottom of this screen, where it's showing them where they are at the different, you know, fractions, geometry, what have you, when you go down to the very bottom, it says Print Diagnostic Action Plan. And when you click on that, it'll actually take you to this screen here. And this is one that we have printed off in the past, but what will happen is these are all actual hyperlinks. So if I click on, say, unit prices at the 7th grade level, I can click and it'll take me directly to that. If a student works on this particular section and gets their SMART score up to a 90, it will increase their overall diagnostic score as well. So it's a nice little enrichment, and it's kind of easy for them to then find these different skills that they need to be working on based on the formative data.